Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community and Happy New Year. If this is your first time here, my name's Chris. I'll be your cruise director today. And you are going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors. It's called Parkinson's syndrome. It's genetic early onset Parkinson's, and that's how everything got started. I wanted to show just because you have some challenges does not mean you have to give up what you know and love. And what this girl knows and loves is makeup. So like I said in my Sephora haul video, I am all about everybody's doing this no buy, low buy. And I'm like, that is so awesome. And you know, here I'd already done a couple hauls. But to be honest, that would have been thrown out the window anyway as soon as I found out Fenty is coming out with concealers, powders, blushes, more, shades in their foundations. I'm like, Rihanna, just take my money now, girl, because you got me there. So today I'm going to go through my Ulta haul. This is actually a couple of them. One I did a minute ago. It's been a little bit, but I had so much to go through for Christmas and the holidays that I kind of put it on the back burner. So I just combined the two and gonna show you right now. I have some really awesome stuff here. So let's go through it, shall we? I'm a little bit excited. Some of this is new and some of it's not so new, but I guess it'd be new to me. So I'm gonna start with L'Oreal came out with some new infallible products. So this is 24 hours of fresh wear, up to 24 hours of fresh wear infallible foundation. And they just came out with some new infallible full wear concealers. Now you guys know I am a concealer junkie. I have so many, it's bad, but I want to try these out because, if something's wallet friendly, I am all about it. So trying these out. I will do a wear test. I will do all of that with these. I am going to be going back to traveling. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So I got my son when he was 15 and, super proud of him. Really great kid. Love him so much, but teenagers are expensive, and so I went from traveling, like having no kids and traveling all the time, to nothing. So I got some travel products. I'm not sure if they're still on sale right now, but got some travel hair products. Very important for traveling this year. My sister actually lives in Europe, and I haven't been able to go. Obviously, had a kid, kind of comes first. Can't just say, hey, good luck to ya. I'm out for 2 weeks, but I get to go visit her this year, and I am super excited. All right, I did pick up one of the Matte Patrick Star collabs. I picked up Spank Me Santa. So it's New Year's. I'm a little late for this one, but you know what? That's okay. Let me open this up and let's do a swatch. Okay, I cannot get over this packaging. Look how beautiful that packaging is. I am all about this packaging all year. I do not even care. Oh, that is a pretty color. Oh, that is a very nice neutral. I probably have 50 of the same color, but that's okay. It's not this particular one. Does anybody else love the smell of MAC lipstick? Oh, just brings me back, takes me back. Oh, reorder for me, Maybelline Full and Soft Mascara. I'm telling you guys, love this mascara. It is my ride or die. I have used some very expensive mascaras, and that is still my ride or die. It is, I always have to have a backup of it, and I'm about to break into my backup, so I had to order another backup. All right, this is new. This is the Matte Bar by Maybelline eyeshadow. And I am actually going to do a video on this, but this looked really pretty. We're coming into winter, and I love matte looks in the winter. I just really like it. Don't know why. And then, you know, it wouldn't be shopping for me if I didn't get a boatload of eyeshadow palettes. So I also picked up ColourPop's Chasing Rainbows. So I know that this was part of their holiday release, and, you know, therefore I'm a little late on it, but oh, look at these beautiful colors. They're just so gorgeous. I cannot wait to dip into these and play with them. Let's try a couple. My cat's at the door. She is, ooh, they're soft. She is very offended by a closed door. Guys, let me know if you have cats, if they're the same way. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so far they seem really nice. Oh, look at those. Oh, they're so pretty. Of course, you guys know swatches have zero to do with how they're going to perform on your eye, but I still like swatching. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. Cannot wait to make a look with that. And I also picked up Sweet Nothings by ColourPop. This was one of the two that were Ulta exclusives, although I have the feeling they will be coming up on the ColourPop website. Let's take a look at Sweet Nothings. I do love ColourPop. They make some really incredible products that are wallet friendly. And this has more of a purple vibe to it. Love that. Let's swatch a couple of these. Ooh, oh, these are soft. Ooh. Okay, I'm digging this. Oh, I am definitely digging these. Very nice. I'm in love. Now, they had a thing on there that if you spent a certain amount of money, Ulta put in a bag full of goodies. And so I got that bag of goodies. And of course, everything in here I am not going to swatch because everything is going to be put into the giveaway bin. So let's see what I will be giving away. All right, this looks like, oh, it is a very cute little eyeshadow palette. Nice, very cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to break it up or if I'm just going to give it away as a set. This is, doesn't say. Oh, a bronzer and illuminator. Okay. I really want to swatch that, but we're just going to set it down. Let's see. Oh, this is a matte metallic liquid lipstick. That's really pretty. Is this an eyeshadow? Brow tint in medium. And this is a lipstick in Stay Fierce, and that color looks really pretty. I'm sure you can't really see the color that well, but it does look very pretty. I like Ulta's lipsticks. Oh, it's got a little brush in it, little portable blush brush. Nice. And, oh, there are two products down here. Let's see, what is this? Tinted Eye Primer. Oh, all right. And a black eyeliner. Gel eyeliner in the color Blackout. So I'm not sure if I'm just going to keep this all together in its little bag and give it all away as one thing, or if, you know, I'm going to take them apart and put them in different giveaways. Not quite sure. So that is it for my Ulta haul. Wasn't too big of a haul, was it? That's okay. That's fine. So I am going to do the same thing that, you know, I've done before. I'm going to actually put two videos together because this one is really short, and I think I'm going to upload this along with my like Happy New Year things that I want to see changes in the beauty community on YouTube, and also just changes that I personally want to make with my channel as a creator, and also open it up to suggestions and requests, which I'm always open to suggestions and requests. So we are growing. Please continue to spread the word about the makeup community. I want it to grow to be a really fun, positive place to talk about all things makeup. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and help us grow. All right, guys, so that'll do it for today. I will talk to you down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.